Right. Okay. All right, so I'm with Jim Idelot here at the Michigan Real Estate Investors Group on Thursday night. He's speaking tonight, but he's also doing a one-day seminar. Jim, what are you going to be covering on the one-day seminar?
Oh gosh, I'm going to be talking about finding motivated sellers, what to say to them. I'm going to talk about actually developing a consistent flow of income using creative financing. We're going to be talking about how to retire in 3 to 5 years and become unemployable, and a lot more. It's going to be a great time.
That's awesome. Now, Jim is a full-time pastor and does lease options less than, well, he used to say 5 hours a week. It's less than that, actually.
It is, yeah.
It is, and he makes a good 6-figure income on this. So it's really key. You're going to want to come hear what he has to say and how to build this in with what you already do. It doesn't have to be your passion. It doesn't have to be the thing that is your full-time job, but it could be something that supplements what you already love to do, like what he does.
Yeah, and it's a great way to get free, because if you're trading hours for dollars, you're never going to get out of that rat race. So don't miss it. Be there.